Okay, so in this question we have to solve this particular equation. So this equation looks a lot complicated, right? But if you look very closely, you will observe that the terms which are appearing, the variables, we have x upon x minus 3, right? And the second variable term is x minus 3 upon x. So basically these are inverse of each other, right? Further, under root is also present in both of these terms. So to simplify this equation, to solve this equation, what you should start with is take under root of x upon x minus 3 as some value, let us say t. If you take this as t, you will get the same equation in the form of t as t plus. Now what will happen to this second term? This second term is nothing but inverse of the first term. So you should get 1 by t is equal to 5 by 2, right? So now this equation looks very easy. If you try to simplify this, you should get t square plus 1 upon t is equal to 5 by 2, which on further simplification should give you 2t square plus 2 is equal to 5t, right? Let us keep solving this equation. What will you get? You will get 2t square minus 5t plus 2 equal to 0, right? Now we have to solve for t. To do that, let us use our method of splitting the middle term. So I need two numbers which will give me minus 5 as their sum, and product should be equal to what? Product should be equal to 2 into 2, right? So instead of 2 into 2, let us try to write it as 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is same as 2 into 2, but their sum is not coming out to be minus 5. Their sum is coming out to be plus 5. So instead of this, let us introduce minus in both the numbers. So still minus 4 into minus 1 is giving you what? Sum as 2 into 2. Product as 2 into 2, but now their sum will become how much? Their sum will become minus 5. So these are the two numbers which you should use to split your middle term, right? So what will happen now? Now you will get 2t square minus 4t minus t plus 2 equal to 0. Take 2t common from the first two terms, you will get t minus 2, and minus 1 common from the last two terms, you will again get t minus 2. Again take t minus 2 common, so you will be getting an expression which will be factorized, something like this, right? This will give you two different values of t. Your t can be equal to 2 or t can be equal to 1 by 2. But this was not our target. Our target was to solve for x, right? We had to solve for x. So now again go back to our original substitution. Our substitution was under root of x upon x minus 3 equal to t. So if I use these two values in place of t, I can solve for x very easily, right? So what will happen in the first case? In the first case, I will get under root of x upon x minus 3 equal to 2. Let us square both sides. You will further get x upon x minus 3 equal to 4, right? On simplifying this, you should get x is equal to 4x minus 12, which means that x is equal to 4, right? Also, if t is equal to half, what will happen? You will get equation like under root of x upon x minus 3 is equal to half. If you square both sides, you would again get x upon x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4. Let us simplify this. If you simplify this further, you will get 4x is equal to x minus 3, which will give you the answer x is equal to minus 1. So x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 1 become your final answer.